Hey y'all, I'm Morgan from Charleston Crafted, and today I'm going to be making wood stain from vinegar. We're going to be using vinegar and steel wool to make some different wood stains and see how it looks on our wood. I've done this previously with coffee, tea, and food coloring, so I hope that you will check out those videos too. So let's get started. First, you're going to want a jar. I'm doing 4 different jars for 4 different vinegars. And these are just glass jars. And then you want steel wool. So this is what's going to cause a reaction with the vinegar to get that pretty brown color. So this is steel wool from a pack. I'm just going to put them in the jar and sort of press them down to the bottom. When you do this, you want to mark on the side the height that the steel wool comes up to, and go ahead and fill one of your jars with water to that height, and so you can dump that into a measuring cup and see how much of each vinegar you need. I determined that I need 1 cup of each one, so I have my cup measure here, and I'm going to start. So the first one is apple cider vinegar. Alright, so now we're going to let these sit for 24 hours and really kind of soak in the goodness from that steel wool. Let me know, which do you think is going to be the darkest and which do you think is going to be the lightest? We'll find out. Hey y'all, my vinegar has been sitting overnight with steel wool, and now we are going to test it on wood. This is pine wood, just a scrap piece from the hardware store. I sand it with 150 grit sandpaper, just really quick by hand to open up the wood, and now we're going to try these different stains. This is after 24 hours. It's like rusty and gross in there. I'm just gonna dip my cloth into the liquid and rub it on the wood. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna do a second coat.